want to be able to square up this corner. This is going to be our starting point for our installation. And so we've got a couple of different methods here. We've got our foldable paver square that we can lay out. We could snap a string line and see that we're squared up. We've also got our string line set up. So we've got our square edge coming along the driveway, and we're heading out back there towards the building. So we got to figure out, you know, are we actually square here with the string line? So we're going to use the 3-4-5 method, where we're going to measure out 3 foot in one direction down this string, 4 foot down the other, and then in between those 2 marks, it'll be 5 foot. So we can multiply that out based on the size of the area. So here, I'm going to go 6 foot down to this string. Gary's going to hold that right on the mark for me that we've made. Go ahead and get right down there. Larry's got his string here that we're going to nail in. So he's got his hammer, and he's going to move and adjust that. So as Gary holds on his mark over there, on his 6 foot, my 8 foot mark here, move it in a little bit. Gary is at his 6 foot mark. I'm going to line up. Go ahead and bring it back towards you a little bit, Larry. Keep coming. Whoop. Right there, perfect, on 10 foot. So 6 foot going that way, 8 foot coming this way, and in between that is 10. So Larry's all good. He'll set the string line, and then we'll get Gary, he'll double hold it, right on. Perfect, 10 foot right on. So we're all squared up. We can finish up our screeding in this area, and we'll have a nice square spot to start laying our pavers.